This patient had previously undergone an ortobasiliac graft interposition with 8 mm graft limbs, so predilation with 7 to 10 mm balloons was necessary. The delivery system was the smallest available and had an 8.7 mm diameter, 26 French. After careful de-airing, the main body was deployed under right ventricle rapid pacing. Aortic arch and brachiocephalic trunk angiography was then performed through the right axillary artery access. The brachiocephalic trunk stent graft was then de-aired and deployed. After an aortic arch and left common carotid artery angiography, the left carotid artery stent was de-aired and deployed. The left subclavian artery was selectively cannulated through the right femoral artery access, and an angiography was performed. After that, the left subclavian artery stent was de-aired and deployed. The final angiogram confirms the correct position of all the branches and normal vascularization of the supraaortic vessels.